Hello everyone, welcome. It's Frank and I have another unboxing today. This time it is graded coins from ANACS. I sent these out 2 or 3 weeks ago and they came back really quick. These are all 2023 Lincoln cents with the extra V on the initials. So let's see. I believe there's 14 of them, if I'm not mistaken. How the heck? Oh, I think I got it wrong. All right. Get the paperwork out of the way. And here we go. These are 14, all 2023 Lincoln cents with the extra V. So let's take a look. Now I cherry picked these out of a couple of hundred. I sent 14 to ANACS and 14 to PCGS. I received the ANACS, still waiting on the PCGS. So alright, so if you can see right there is the extra V at the bottom. And we have nice MS 67 red. And the 67 reds go for $400. Very nice. Next one, another beautiful one. Again, I did hand pick every one of these. Oh, this one was a 65. I can see why. I guess I didn't notice that, or that happened. I swear this was not there. That clouding, because I would not have sent this in. But hey, it's a 65. I believe these go for about $75, so not bad. Here is another one. A couple of scratches there, and you can see the extra V. And the back is clean. And this is a MS66 red. This one goes for about 200 in the 66. Next one. That was on the plastic. Beautiful coin here. The reverse is beautiful. And again, you can see the extra V. This is a beautiful coin. 66, that's it? Huh. I really could have sworn this one would be higher. I wonder why. We'll take it though. 66 is $200, so that's another one. Next one. See a couple of carbon bubbles. Very small. And again, the V. Carbon bubbles again, and this is a 66 red, so we'll take that. Next one. Back looks nice, maybe right there a little nick. A couple of carbon bubbles, not bad. And the obverse of this for the a little scratch there. But overall, it's a beautiful coin, and it's a 67 red, so another 400. We'll take that. Next one, maybe down here by the shield, a couple of carbon bubbles, which happens a lot with the new pennies. Again, you can see the extra V right there. And 67 red, we'll take it. Next one. Again, another beautiful coin. I don't see much. Well, maybe right up here, a couple of scratches. Extra V. You could definitely see that there. A couple of carbon spots. Maybe a couple of nicks. It's hard to tell if it's on the plastic or the coin. And it's a 67 red. So that makes it 4 67 reds. Next one, I believe that's on the coin, that little nick. And right there as well. A couple of carbon spots right there as well. And you see the extra V, and this one is a 66 red. We'll take that. Next one. I can't tell if that right there is on the plastic or on the coin. That is pretty bad if it is. Let's take a look. Right there as well. There's a contact mark from another coin. Extra V is there, and 67. Wow. I think some of the 66s, or a majority of the 66s, were nicer than this one. But we'll take it. I am not a professional grader. I just try to pick. My goal was to get a 64 or better on each coin. So far, we're above that. Now this here. Couple of nicks there on the shield. Not bad at all. See the obverse. Plainly see the V right there. Beautiful coin. And a 67 red. We'll take it. 3 more to go. Couple of nicks again. Some carbon bubbles. Again, beautiful coin overall though. Couple of nicks. And this is a 66 red. Alright, we'll take it. 2 more to go. Here's the next one. Nice coin. Maybe a nick there. I can't. That kind of looks like. Yeah, that's on the plastic. Yeah, that's on the plastic also. Overall, a really nice coin. And it's a 66. And the last coin. Got that right there. I have a feeling this is going to be a 65 or 66. Right there's a nick. And 66. So we'll take it, definitely. So for this submission, I paid a total of where the heck is the receipt? Huh? I think it was 200 and... They don't send a receipt? What the heck? Alright, I gotta look it up. But I believe it was $269 for grading. And $5 to $7 per coin to purchase. So so let's say $310 I paid total, and we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 MS67s, which they constantly have sold in an ANACS holder for $400 each, so $2,400. That's nice. I think my math is correct. 4 times 6. Yep. The 66. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 and 66. These go on an ANACS holder for $200. So $1,400. So that's $3,800 so far. And the last one goes for about 75 to 100. Or we'll say 75. So yeah, $3,875 on a, let's call it a $350 investment. 400, let's round it up. So not a bad return at all. But again, I did cherry pick these I got these 14 and the other 14 that I sent to PCGS out of maybe 150 coins. So not bad. Not bad at all. Big return on this submission. Always happy to do that. So anyway, thank you very much for watching. I really do appreciate it. If you don't mind hitting that like button and the subscribe button, it does really help me out. And I shall see you soon. I hope you have a great day. And yeah, take care. Thank you.